What is the difference between an automaton and a robot? An automaton is a machine that performs actions automatically, always following a fixed and repetitive sequence. The difference with a robot is that it doesn't just repeat, it can adapt to what is happening around it. An automaton works with rigid programming. What it does is determined by its design, and it cannot change it. In contrast, a robot can be reprogrammed for different tasks, which makes it much more flexible. An automaton usually doesn't have sensors. It simply executes mechanical or electrical movements without perceiving its surroundings. A robot, on the other hand, does have sensors and actuators that allow it to detect objects, obstacles, or external conditions. An automaton is used in simple mechanisms such as old clocks, mechanical toys, or machines that repeat a single action. A robot is used in more complex fields such as industry, medicine, or exploration, because it can respond to changing situations. In summary, an automaton repeats what it was designed to do, while a robot has the ability to adapt and carry out different functions.